Have you ever had one of those moments where the world feels impossibly small? Like it's just you and your dogs, and everything else is gently fading into the background? The noise, the expectations, the lists, all gone. It's like Earth itself decided to shrink down just to fit around this one peaceful second, like the universe folded into itself just to give you space to breathe. I forget sometimes that I don't need to chase everything, that maybe what I have right now is more than enough. A patch of sunlight, a stretch of sky, a couple of dogs who think I'm their whole planet. And maybe that's enough. In their eyes, I'm not lost. I'm not behind. I'm not too late for anything. To them, I'm just home. And in those moments, the earth feels like a tiny marble in my pocket, something I can hold, something that holds me too. So if you're spinning out today, stop for a second. Feel your breath. Watch your dog. Listen to the quiet things that are still trying to speak to you. You don't have to be everything everywhere, all at once. Sometimes this tiny earth is more than enough.